My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today I am with the ninth lecture on nomenclature of organic compounds, titled Nomenclature of Aldehydes. From this lesson, the points to be learnt are definition of aldehydes, trivial system to name the aldehydes, IUPAC system to name the aldehydes, and finally we will see some examples. So dear students, let's begin. The very first point is definition of aldehydes. Let's see. This is carbonyl group, divalent carbonyl group. When one valency is satisfied with hydrogen and another valency is satisfied with hydrogen or alkyl group or aryl group, then the compound formed is called aldehyde. Definition is the compound which is formed when one valency of carbonyl group is combined with hydrogen and another valency of carbonyl group is combined with hydrogen or alkyl group or aryl group. Then the compound formed is called aldehyde, or differently it can be defined as, this is the general formula of aldehyde. In structure formula it can be written as this. The name of this group is aldehyde group. Now the definition is the compounds that contain aldehyde group with R is called aldehyde. Here R may be hydrogen, alkyl group, aryl group or any monovalent hydrocarbon group. The point is now trivial system to name the aldehydes. In this system only 2 points are to be kept in mind, that is corresponding carboxylic acid. Point number 2, ic acid will be replaced by aldehyde. Let's see some examples. Its name is formaldehyde. Now we will see how it is formaldehyde. Its corresponding acid is, this is corresponding carboxylic acid of this aldehyde. Here there is one carbon atom, here there is one carbon atom. So this acid is called corresponding carboxylic acid of this aldehyde. Now its name is formic acid. We know it from the previous lecture. Now ic acid will be replaced by aldehyde. Then aldehyde will come here in place of ic acid. Now its name is formaldehyde. Now the compound is acetaldehyde. Now let's see how it is acetaldehyde. Its corresponding acid is acetic acid. Now ic acid is replaced by aldehyde, then we'll get acetaldehyde. Now the compound is propionaldehyde. Let's see how it is propionaldehyde. Its corresponding acid is this, that is propionic acid. Now ic acid is replaced by aldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Now the compound is this is butyraldehyde. Now we will see how it is butyraldehyde. Its corresponding carboxylic acid is this. It is butyric acid. Now this acid is replaced by aldehyde. Then we will get butyraldehyde. Let's move on to the next point. Now the point is IUPAC system to name the aldehydes. The points to be kept in mind are: aldehyde group carbon must be expressed by number 1. Then word root plus anal as suffix. Point number 3, substituents with number as prefix. Let's see some examples. First of all, here word root is meth, anal as suffix, so its name is methanol. Another example, 2 carbon atoms, word root is here eth, anal as suffix, so this is ethanol. Another example, 3 carbon atoms here, so prop is word root, anal as suffix, so this is propanol. Now the compound is one, two, three, four carbon atoms. So word root is here but and anal as suffix, so it is butanol. Let's see another example. Here is CH3. Carboxyl aldehyde carbon will be expressed always by 1. This is said at rule 1. Now the carbon atoms are numbered from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms, so word root is here but and anal as suffix. Substituents with number as prefix. Here at 2 there is a substituent, that is methyl group, so 2 methyl butanol. The name of this compound is, first of all, carbon atoms are numbered from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pent is here word root and anal as suffix. Now at carbon 3 we see there is a ethyl group as substituent. So 3-ethyl pentanal. Let's see the name of this compound. First of all, carbon atoms are numbered from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here pent is as word root, anal as suffix. Then let's see what about substituents. At carbon 2, one hydroxyl group, and at carbon 5 another hydroxyl group. So 2,5 dihydroxy. 2,5 dihydroxypentanal. Let's move on to the next point. My dear students, the point is now examples. We will see some examples of compounds. First of all, let's see the name of this compound. First of all, the carbon atoms are numbered from the right, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is word root here? Oct. And anal as suffix, octanal. Now let's see the substituents. At carbon 3, hydroxyl group, hydroxyl that starts with hydrogen. And at carbon 6 there is a chlorine that starts with C. In the alphabetic order, C is prior to H. So chlorine is mentioned first here, and it is like this: 6 chloro 3 hydroxy, 6 chloro 3 hydroxy octanal. The name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentanal, and at carbon 4 oxygen. So 4-oxo pentanal. The name of this compound is, here carbon atoms are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atoms, so pent is the word root here, and we see carbon 1 is aldehyde group and carbon 5 is also aldehyde group. So there are 2 aldehyde groups here, and it is at carbon 1 and at carbon 5. So pent 1,5-diol. Pent 1,5-diol. Now the compound is this, where there is a unsaturation, that means carbon-carbon double bond. Now let's see the name of this compound. Here carbon atoms are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So carbon 2 with carbon-carbon double bond, and there are 4 carbon atoms. So but is the word root, and since it's a alkene, so buty, not buta. Butanal 2, because carbon 2 with carbon-carbon double bond. So butanal 2, or we can write but 2 enal. But 2 enal. Let's see the name of this compound. First of all, carbon atoms are numbered from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we see hex is the word root here, and at carbon 3 there is a double bond. So hex 3 enal. And at carbon 2 there is oxygen which starts with O, and at carbon 5 there is another group, that is cyano group, that starts with C. C is prior to O in the alphabetic order, so this group is mentioned first. So 5 cyano 2 oxo. Now let's write 5 cyano 2 oxo hex 3 enal. The name of this compound is, first of all, carbon atoms are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So hept is the word root here, and carbon 3 with carbon-carbon double bond. So hept 3 in, and we see carbon 1 aldehyde group and carbon 7 another aldehyde group, CHO. Now let's write 1,7 dial, hept 3 in 1,7 dial. My dear students, no more today. Thank you very much. Take care.